The architectural ranch design. Architects today use CAD to design the floor plans of houses, which allows them much more freedom and tools during the design process. CAD simplifies the design by giving the architect a wide array of tools to help with the design. A residential home designer or architect has basically 4 designs to choose from: the 1-story or ranch, the 1½ story, the 2-story, and the split level. Each of these individual styles has strengths and weaknesses which should be considered before making a choice. Such factors as space available for the house, side contour, climate, convenience, cost, surroundings, and personal preference should all play a role in the final decision. In this article we will be discussing the advantages and disadvantages to the 1-story ranch design. The 1-story house has all the regular living space on one level. It may have a basement depending on the section of the country in which it is built and preference of the prospective owner. One of the chief advantages of the ranch is that it lends itself beautifully to indoor-outdoor living. Patios, porches and terraces may be added to virtually any room. With lots of glass, it is possible to bring the outdoor surroundings inside to make the house appear even larger than it is. There are also other design aspects the architect may include to give this desired effect.